Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone talkback, how to enable and how to use it. Friends, we want to enable guys your phone talkback setting guys. So how can you enable it? Friends, today I will show you, I will tell you if and how can you use guys your phone accessibility setting. Today I will also tell you guys. So without waste time guys, open your phone setting to enable your talkback. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone this special function guys, tap here. Friends, click on the last one, accessibility, tap here. Friends, again scroll. Friends, you can see your phone accessibility guys, you can use from here. So friends, you can see your talkback guys, tap here. And we will tap here to enable. As you can see, we will have to give permission, allow guys, tap here to enable it. After enable guys, how can you use? As you can use guys with double tap setting guys, double tap to operate your talkback settings. So if one tap you want to close app, so I tap here. Friends, you want to back, one tap and double tap to back. And then you can use your phone with your two finger guys, one finger guys you cannot use. So a person who is blind and the person who cannot see guys properly, so what they use talkback, how? When they want to on YouTube, example for guys, they want to on YouTube, so what they click on any icon, so where they listen YouTube sound, so where they double tap to on YouTube. So like that guys, they use talkback setting, and guys we can enable and we can use talkback setting. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video.